Today we're going to do something that is probably the nearest and dearest to my heart, and that is embroider patches. This is where our family began over 65 years ago, and this is probably the easiest way you'll ever embroider a patch, so make sure you stay tuned. Now for this project we're going to use our hoop, our tearaway stabilizer, we're going to use a little bit of painter's tape, our spray adhesive, as well as our ready-made patches. And these are awesome because they are professional patches with the twill on one side, the buckram and the adhesive on the back, as well as a professionally marrowed border done on a marrow machine. You can always tell because there's a little tail on the back, and the guide usually is when you're doing embroidery that you place it so that the tail is on the bottom of the design. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our tearaway stabilizer and we're going to cut a piece a little bigger than our hoop, and we're just going to hoop this in place. Our hoop is going to be set pretty much to the tightest setting because we want to make sure that this is really stable and isn't going to move. So again, I'm going to place the front end in, and with my palms just push that down into place. That's nice and secure. And then what I'm going to do is put it on the machine, and the first thing that it's going to actually run is the outline of the design. So we're just going to drop our needle down, press the start, and it's going to do a running stitch, which is going to be the exact same size as the marrowed patch. So now we're going to take our patch, we're going to turn it over to the back side. I'm going to take a little bit of my spray adhesive, give it a little shake, and just spray a little bit on the back. And then I'm going to take it over to the machine and I'm going to line it up perfectly to the running stitch outline that it just created, making sure that I am pretty much on that running stitch all the way around, and I know I'm going to get perfect placement every single time. Once my patch is in place, I'm just going to drop that down again, press the start, and it's going to do a very loose blanket or E-stitch that's going to hold that patch in place. Once it's held securely, I'll just run the rest of the design. Now that the blanket stitch is holding that patch in place, we can just start running the design, and that's it. Okay, the design is done and it looks fantastic. That is as clean can be. All we have to do now is turn it over to the back side, and we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to trim away all of those little blanket stitches. Because they're so long, they're pretty easy to cut. I could probably do every second one if I wanted to, and it'll just pull completely away from the design, and that patch is done. Just grab that, pull it away. Everything should pull off very easily. And now because this is tearaway, all we have to do is grab this and tear away all the way around the outside, and there our patch is finished and it looks great. If you'd like more information about these patches, just click the link in the description and it'll take you right there. These are super easy, super fast, and profitable because 90% of the work is already done. This process works well with a single needle, a multi-needle machine, flatbed or tubular. You're going to have the exact same results, and it's going to save you time and money. So comment below if you have any questions, and watch this video next. See you in the next one.